Hello everyone. So many of you are freshers, okay, who are looking to build their career into US taxation, and they are aiming that they will get job into the taxation of US, okay. So basically they are focusing on US taxation because this is a very good area of career, okay, where there is a huge growth opportunity, and yes, again, salary is again higher than other industries, okay. So after doing our MBA, okay, when we are decided to go into US taxation, somewhere we don't know, or maybe we know that there are multiple aspects of US when it comes to taxation or any financial job. So if you are looking to build your career into finance, okay, and mainly you are focusing on big fours, then let me tell you today, not only tax, there are multiple aspects, there are multiple industry, and there are multiple line in which you can grow your career into US industry. So starting from the US taxation, yes, you can be part of Big 4 or other companies who are hiring or who hires or who work for US state tax returns, okay. So first you can go for tax analyst job role into Big 4 or any kind of company who is hiring for US taxation. Apart from US taxation, there are multiple job lines such as US tax audit. Okay, so apart from US taxation, you can build your career into audit. Audit is a huge industry in itself. Okay, apart from taxation, in audit you can build your career in a bigger way if it comes for the US audit industry. Not only US audit industry, any audit industry of any country like London, you can say, US, you can say, ठीक है, India, you can say, it is a huge career line because whatever happens to the company, okay, if company is in profit, if company is in loss, if company is operational well, he has to go for audit for that company, and for that they hire bigger companies of US, okay, to audit their company. Because when big company, suppose Apple is taking audit from Deloitte. If Deloitte is doing auditing of Apple, then this is giving a tag that this Big 4 who is doing audit of Apple, means will be no discrimination, there will be no error into the audit, okay, and this gives confidence of to investors, okay, to invest into the Apple. That's why Big 4s are always into uh, in a big pocket, so they take a lot of handsome amount of uh, fees from the big companies. That's why they are paying you a bigger salary than other companies. Again, so if we talk about audit, this has a bigger line career where you can build your career line. Apart from tax, apart from audit, there is consulting business, okay. Consulting, US consulting is also a bigger industry. So whatever industry which I am talking about today is a bigger industry of US, okay. How consulting work, okay. See, now you have understood, okay, that taxation is a part, audit audit is a part. Now consulting, okay, or advising or advisory service, what is that? So in taxation, what happens? You are a company, you come to any Big 4 and you are asking to do taxation for their financial year, okay. That is simple. But consulting is something, okay, where you are a company, you have hired me. Suppose I am Deloitte, you are Apple. Apple has hired me for consulting. Now it's my duty to tell Apple in which area, okay, in which segment, in which line they can save tax, where are the tax havens, where there will be a higher taxation, where they can save multi-million dollars of taxation into in a single year. And how they do, okay, they advise in which state they should grow their industry, in which state they should open the store, in which state they should do the manufacturing. The reason, in India, you will see a same rate of interest in every state, but in US there are different rate of interest. There are different tax rules as for the states. Okay, state law has the power to modify their tax rate, their tax laws, each and everything. That's why US taxation, US auditing is complex than India, and that's why they need higher manpower to run their business. Okay, and why they outsource us? Because we are cheaper than US. In US, if they hire any manager, they are going to charge a lot, but when they hire managers from India, they charge very less. Okay, and that's why they prefer outsourcing resource from the India. Okay, so I've talked about three industry today: the taxation, which you already know, the consulting, and the auditing. Okay, these three industry is big. So if you are a MBA person or have done graduation into finance and looking into build your career into the same line as these three industry, you can consider if you want to build it in the US industry. Again, when this is very much appealing in terms of finance, in terms of monetary, always remember we'll have to work a lot. You will have to work very hard because in busy season, okay, they expect, company expect from you that you will be working 16 to 18 hours for them. Okay, in that season only many people get frustrated, many people get irritated from the work's load, and there will be very less life balance, work life balance. So if you are ready to sacrifice, okay, if you think that okay, this is okay to build my career, then this industry is for you. But you are someone who is looking for balance between work and job, then yes, you will have to rethink on it. Because again, on some point of time during your job of Big 4, you will realize that okay, there is no life balance. Yes, it depends on us also how we do it, but yes, a majority of people fail to maintain a big gap or maintain a good balance between work and life during the busy season. So this is the small what I caution to you guys, that if you are someone who is not ready to give up this much thing in your initial of your career, then yes, stop yourself from out there and look for the other industry. Okay, so if you guys have any kind of issue, any kind of problem regarding this industry, if you got any uh, doubt of taxation, auditing, consulting, you can always comment. Okay, because I work in same industry. Okay, I will be a good person to help you out, I will be a good person to solve your queries. Okay, there's a Telegram channel of mine also where you can join, and if you are having any interview, okay, this is my guarantee that your interview will be cracked. Okay, because I am giving good tips, I am giving a good amount of uh, questions which they ask, and that gets match very much percentage. Okay, so yes, I prepare you, I advise you, I consult you, I mentor you in for your interview. So you can call me on Telegram when you connect, and we can talk about your interviews and how it will goes and how you can crack it. Because I believe interview is not about questions, interview is all about confidence. Okay, confidence is the key to crack any interview of the world. Okay, so I'll take your leave from here. Okay, this is good for the today. Let me know if you have got any kind of questions. I will get back to my work because there is too much on the plate. Bye bye.